Hi, and welcome back to our Twitch Emote series. Let's do a little overview of what we learned last time. We learned how to use the basic tools to do our drawings. We learned about the tile set system, duplicating tiles, so using pixel edit. We learned how to export. We learned how to scale, and we learned how to uh, what's it called increase slash decrease our like canvas tiles to work on, so we could see like how the layers would line up. Right, so that's about it. So now let's go ahead and do Inkscape next. We're going to do a simple overview, and I'll show you how to use it, how to set up your document, how to do the layers, and then how to export and do some scaling. And again, we're working with 112 pixel size square image. We can go up to 4096 because we're only doing the manual and we're letting Twitch take care of the other stuff for us. Again, all this you can do the three sizes, but always remember, go from high to low, and your distinct lines for your for your emote have to be a little thicker, just so that when you scale down, they don't look too blurry. All right. Let's see. Downloads. We already got Inkscape here. Oh, let me. Okay. Go to inkscape.org. Download now here. I forgot I didn't mention this, but this is only for Windows, so you're limited there. This is a vector drawing program, so just remember that. Downloads Inkscape. It's fairly fast. Just press next, install, and you'll get like a admin window saying, "Hey, can you install this?" And it's good. All right. Right, well, it doesn't take that long. It's GIMP that takes quite a while. All right, does take more than a few seconds. Sorry about that. We're just trying to do everything in real time so that you're seeing the process rather than like here. All right, let's go search for Inkscape right here, and we're just gonna do home. Oh, what's going on? Oh, this is InkView. Sorry, Inkscape right there. Sweet. Okay, go up here, File, Document Properties, and we're going to switch everything to pixels. And this is going to be 112 by 112. All right, and we're going to do a scale of 1, and that's pretty much it. Just exit out of that. You can go to the layers here. So here in Inkscape, the top layers are visible first and everything else is below. So background would be the lowest, and like eyes or something would be the top one. Okay, let's scroll, control scroll. So first things first, go to document properties, set everything to pixels, both these, then set your width and height to 112, your scale to 1, that's what we want. And let's see, exit out of that. Once that's set up, this might be a little smaller, so you gotta put control and middle mouse button to make this show up on the screen correctly. Now let's create our layers. So we're gonna add a head layer and a eye layer. We're gonna make this really simple with just like 2 layers instead of like 4, like with pixel edit. It's still the same folder structure but this time it's just 2 folders and 1 file in it, or layer. So, all right, let's create our head. So select this over here. we want to get rid of that. Sorry, we're going to get rid of that blue outline. So once you've created it, go over here, right click, set stroke to exit out of that. Now let's do our eye, and we're going to do like a blue eye because I like blue eyes, and like that, just like that, and get rid of the stroke. Now let's do the iris, kind of like that. Oh, sorry. Let's create another eye. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, I like that. And then, so we make sure that this is all one layer for the eye. We select those two, and then we group them. So now things are done. And since it's set up like this, we can easily see how it's going to look if it's generated through multiple layers. In case, like, let's say you have another eye and it's a different color, you can take one out so that you can see the other and see how it looks, whether you like it or not. All right, now we've created our layers. We are going to do some exporting, which is file export here. One thing I do have to mention is that if you want to do batch export, it doesn't really work with exporting each file or layer as the right size. It'll do it based on its like size instead of like the canvas size. So go to single document. What we selected is this. So, and then put 112, 112. Oh, okay. No, go to page. Okay, yeah, page instead. Export selected only. That's what we selected, or that's what we selected. We want to do both, but each one at a time. So then just click this, and it'll put you where you need to go. Sorry, it'll open up a folder and just press like OK, because this is like where you want to save it. Then portable PNG, that's correct, and then just do export. This is all fine here. You might want to mess with the settings. That's really up to you. Replace, and then go back, and then it should be right here. Sweet. There's the eye for you, and we just make sure that this is exporting the right size, and that is correct. 112 by 112. We're good here. All right. Now we've done export, so we want to do scaling. Like, how do we scale stuff? So we literally just changed this up, which is 56 by 56. And again, I'm referencing 112, 56, and then 28. If you want to do those three advanced things for Twitch to upload, but again, we're not doing that. We're just doing the range from 112 to 49.6 because Twitch will do that all for us manually, the scaling part. Then, okay, replace. Let's go back, and we're gonna look at properties, and yeah, 56 by 56. That's how you scale. So that's it for Inkscape for now. This simple overview. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer. Please subscribe and like, and appreciate for just watching.